I'm Charlie, Chief Engineer for Dragon Group China. Today we are in Shandong Province, in Taiwan City, directly in the factory of the Puhui T machines, the revolving BGA revolver stations, and today we are going to present a series of tutorials of how to use each single machine. We are going to present 3 of the Puhui T series, and we hope you enjoy these tutorials. We are going to go from the beginning, how to turn off the machine, take out the chips, revolve the chips or work with them, and to put them back in the board. We hope you enjoy these tutorials and visit us at www.puhuit.com. Any question, please write to us at info@puhuit.com. This is the t-870a, a machine that has the biggest area for infrared beam. So we're going to start, and here we're going to have the tutorial from the beginning, how you're going to do your revolving rework with this Intel S3 board that we have here. So she put some insulation tape so the chips around don't get burned or detached by the infrared. It's going to control her temperature, put the board in place. Now she's going to proceed with the preheating plate. Set the preheating plate for that BGA chip in that PCB. We are here using again a Puhui t-870a, directly from the factory to your hands. This is your video tutorial of how you are going to operate the machine. For your revolving rework, any BGA, this machine has an area until 50 millimeters, so basically can do almost any chip. Here we have the soldering iron ready for cleaning the solder from the chip. We have some paste, some kind of squeezing plate, insulation tape, and also you are going to need a revolving station, some revolving balls. We are waiting.